We're here today with Barry Parker, who joined us with Bluewater this year, and we've assisted him throughout the year with spray advice and spray rig setup. So they were one of the clients that have come in and got a full rebuild. It's capable of band spraying, and we started here before we did the rebuild with a spike to 3 litre spray. Was the first rack?
Yep.
Where we did just straight Paraquat in a Paraquat specific nozzle with the correct amount of wetter. However, on the first tank, we might not have put enough wetter in.
Yeah.
Or any wetter in.
Missed the wetter.
Missed the wetter. Yeah, we still got quite a good kill here on the first where we started the spray up to the cylinder, I think.
Yep.
So this was a soybean fallow. That when we applied that, we had soybean regrowth to about that high.
Yep.
And the straight Paraquat, even with no wetter, still pulled that down on its own. And with wetter down the other side there was
Perfect.
Spotless.
Yep. We just come back and done this one again.
That then got followed up with pendimethalin. We used Stomp this time. It's gone on, and as you can see, we've got very clean cane. So what have you sprayed here since the Stomp? Have we done another pass here with 2,4-D?
No 2,4-D yet.
No 2,4-D. Paraquat through the legs here.
Yes.
And we can sort of see that Paraquat burn at the bottom, but the cane's looking pretty healthy.
Yep.
You've used the same Paraquat approach to other parts of the farm.
Yes.
And the only escapes we've had where we've had mill mud applied, and we've had a little bit too much organic matter there for the pre-emergent to do its job properly. So it's had a further pass with Paraquat again. For a breakout of grasses, and we'll probably deal with the nut grass in the fallow.
Yeah.
So this was your first year of Bluewater, that's right. Yeah. This year's intake.
Yep.
So on the whole, between myself and Michael and Heidi, you've got
excellent. Yep.
Been good.
Yep.
Got the advice.
Very helpful. Getting the advice I need. Yeah.
Got the spray rig all the way over to the shed.
Rig. Yep.
And back again.
Back again. Yeah. So, no, it's been terrific. The amount of poisons we were using, and now we're back to just using what we got to use. It's great saving.
Brought the chemical bill down a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, Barry's followed every one of the recs to the letter of the word, so his risk profile's going through the floor. Using relatively no risk chemicals like Paraquat. Yep. We haven't even used 2,4-D here.
No.
Used pendimethalin, which doesn't move also. So both of those on the chart, whilst they've got a fair size toxicity, their ability to move is zero. Yeah. So as far as GBRF and the water quality side of things are, you're doing absolutely the right thing.
No, it's been awesome.
Yep. Very good.